All right, you guys, and here we go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a bumper. Now, this is a 2010 Dodge Avenger. I believe it's 2008 to 2010 Dodge Avenger that this bumper may fit on. My father-in-law went to Crazy Ray's. If you in Maryland and you in auto mechanics, you know what Crazy Ray's is, or now they call it LKQ, I guess. The bumper is very simple. As y'all see on my headlight videos and stuff like that, y'all see me actually remove the bumper to try to get the headlight on. Now, the cool thing with this is it has fog lights, and this bumper, well, this car is not equipped with fog lights. So we will install our own fog lights, maybe run wires and stuff later on, but we just want to go ahead and get this bumper on so the bumper could be out of the garage and out of the way so I can work on my other car. You guys, I don't know what it is with Dodge Avengers, Dodge Chargers, and this Dodge in general. Y'all are prone to accidents. I'm surprised that premiums are not high on Dodge only. Okay, Eric, I couldn't find it. You know, y'all know how long it took to find a bumper for this car that's a good condition. I mean, Dodges are crazy. Now I need a fender. I definitely need a fender on that side, but a fender on this side will be nice as well. Yeah. So that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and start taking this apart, and yeah, and y'all can watch the process because we're just going to take it apart. Get my tools. I also seen a cool grill on Amazon. I'm thinking about getting it, but I mean, it's $100, you guys, and I don't know. I think that's a lot for a plastic grill. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with this grill, but if you want it to look a little bit more sporty, they do have a sporty type of grill. But right now we're going to take these black clips off. So we got a screw here. There's a 7 mil on top of here, right? You won't be able to see it, but you have to. Yeah, I see it. You see it? Yeah. All right, so you take all of those off, and we'll give you the thing to take the black clips off. You can take the extension off if it's too long. One bumper out. Let's put this bad boy on. You could grab that side. I'll grab this side.
The shape except the front bumper was messed up.
I got this side.
I got this side. It goes the same way you put it, Marcus. Bottom first.
Is it on?
There you go.
Okay.
And then slide it in and push it.
And then whenever we're ready to paint it, we'll take it off and paint it.
Okay. There you go.
All right. Screw it up and we're done. Job all done.
Coming down.
Yep. All righty.